Oh, hey, caught me doing some monthly maintenance here, just changing out the filter for the office AC unit. Did you know that a car has a filter that does a job similar to this one? Stick around, that's the topic for today's Mighty Minute. Now, most of us know that we need to change the filter in our home heating and air conditioning system routinely. But why? What does it do? The role of the filter is twofold. First, it traps dirt, dust, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens, keeping the air you're breathing inside your home cleaner. Second, it protects the evaporator from becoming blocked with debris, which would reduce its efficiency and put an undue strain on the blower motor. Now, that mixture of condensate and debris on the surfaces of the evaporator is the perfect recipe for the development of mold. You know, that musty odor that some of your customers may complain about from time to time. And that mold can present a health hazard to those exposed to it. Yeah, that filter sure has a big job protecting that house full of air. But what about the air in the passenger area, the cabin of the car? Doesn't that deserve the same kind of protection? You bet it does, and then some. Over 40 million Americans suffer from allergies caused by airborne pollutants, and the air in the cabin of the car can be 7 to 10 times more concentrated with these pollutants than the air inside their own home. Symptoms of a restricted cabin air filter include customer complaints of a musty or dirty odor in their car, or complaints that the AC isn't keeping them as comfortable as it should. They may even notice reduced airflow from the registers. A restricted filter can reduce airflow in all HVAC functions, including defrost, and that can impact visibility. The restriction also places a huge strain on the blower motor as it tries to pull air through that filter, increasing current draw and leading to premature failure. But it should never get that far. After all, when you're performing a routine service for your customer, you inspect the engine air filter, don't you? Cabin filters are arguably even more important, protecting your customer's health just as the engine filter does the engine's health, and should be checked just as often. Most OEMs recommend changing the filter annually or at a specified mileage interval, whichever occurs first. Of course, your customer's driving habits and conditions may require replacement more often. Are they driving on paved or dirt roads? Do they spend a lot of time in city traffic? Do they have pets that travel with them? All are conditions that may require more frequent replacement of the filter. You know how important it is for the engine to be able to breathe clean air. How much more important is it for your customers to be able to do the same? So the next time your customer comes in for a routine service, take a Mighty Minute and inspect the cabin air filter.